guys, welcome back. So guys, today is officially the D-Day. So today is 8th of October and the birthday is today. So this morning I'm stepping out because the cake woman just called me to come and pick up the cake. Then from there I'll go straight to the office because we are cooking some food there. So we gave out some to the caterers while we are making some. So that is what I'm doing this morning. But before then, the decor people have arrived. They are setting up the canopy. So I will not be around while they are doing all that because I have other things to do outside. But definitely I will show you guys how the place came out, and I know it will look so beautiful. So guys, stay tuned with me because it's gonna be mad. Just stay glued, keep your eyes up and continue watching. Okay, so let me quickly get to where I'm going to because I don't have any time to waste, because the woman says she's going out, so I don't want to waste that time, and I don't want a situation whereby when I get there I'll start with him because I have a lot on my table, so there's no time to waste time. So right now I'm in the car. I want to start driving out. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. See my beautiful face. So I don't even look stressed. Like, I'm thankful to God that this whole activity is coming to an end today because it's been 3 weeks of preparation. So I'm happy that everything is coming to an end today, and hopefully it will end in praise. Like, we that trust in God, we put our hope like the weather will be fair, everything will go on well, security and everything, everybody will work together to make this day a success. I just pray God take control of all the activities today. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.
I wonder if I changed my number, would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk but we don't. We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze, technicolor, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night, can't call it love but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind, I still can't.
So we got a lot of drinks for the party. Okay, so this spirit, this imperial blue, we have martini, then we have this before clecot. I don't know if I pronounced the name correctly. So we have this one, we have red wines, we have Martell, we have observatory. This is observatory, this one is observatory. Then we have Belarus. Then we have juice, G active. Then we have Coca-Cola. This Coca-Cola, we have Coca-Cola. Then this fetish, we bought 21 years, 23 and 18 years. This also this observatory, we have malt. Then we got the blue Belarus as well, this champagne. So we got this, so we got that as well. And these are all the drinks. Let me show you guys it. So these are all the drinks. I don't know if you guys see it from here. So these are all the drinks that we're going to use for the party. Over here we have Fanta. So here we have some packs of water, enough water to carry us for the party. Yeah.
this if we get out of our own way. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on.
One eternity later.
Situation reports from the kitchen. Pharaoh, say hi. Say hi to my subscribers. Mary, say hi. What are you covering? Joy, say hi. The chef, Mercy, say hi. Hi. Madam Chi, hi. So guys, we are still cooking. So we are still cooking. Say the chef of today. Hello. Hello. Look at Joy. See Joy. Joy is hiding her face. See Madam Chi. Hi. So guys, I'll keep you guys updated. What? Now, I want to start cutting the salad.
I wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spent summer swimming in a sunset.
Guys, look at our electrician. Say hi to my subscribers.
Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation where we don't say what we mean. We've been distant, waiting on the ice.
Guys, we are making the jollof right now. Chef, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking stew for jollof rice.
Okay. And over here we have the people cutting the salad. Madam Chi, what are you doing?
Rising the salad.
Ouch, babe, what are you doing?
Rising the salad.
Okay, Mary, what are you doing? Okay. Oh, Joy, what are you cooking? Okay. So over here we have the white rice. Then here salad, jollof. Everything is going on, and it will come outside very soon. Okay. Mary, you say it looks what? Very demure. Very, very cutesy. The fire is burning very fast. Ouch to the world. Cheese. Paper rice or yo-yo. These are the paper rice or yo-yo.
We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze. Technicolor, crazy how fast it fades. Can't
Hey people, so guys, today has been so stressful. Like, look at my face. I'm so exhausted, but I can't give up now. Do you understand? So we just finished cooking, and these are about 5. So I have to go and deliver the food to the venue. I'm already running out of time, so I said let me come here to tell you guys that we are done cooking. I could not video everything because my phone went off. I just charged it a bit now, so I want to take my bath and also dress up so that I will quickly get to the venue. Guys, thank you for sticking around with me if you've watched up to this point, and please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also engage yourself on my comment section. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.